Through the Henry Schein Cares Global Student Outreach Program, we provide product grants valued at up to $10,000 to provide care and education for up to 1,000 patients,
equipping students with necessary supplies to deliver care.
from the classroom to the community. We believe in the passion and potential of the next generation of healthcare professionals.
That's why we have the Global Student Outreach Program.
To spark a generation of compassionate healthcare, to prepare tomorrow's leaders for a lifelong commitment to global health equity, to foster relationships and build capacity with local organizations so that care continues long after the outreach mission ends. It's more than an outreach mission. It's a promise that together we build healthier communities. Together, we make a lasting impact. Together, we help health happen.